Stop trying to become an AI expert. That's not how beginners are making money in 2026. In fact, some people are earning their first $1,000 selling AI services before they even understand every AI tool in the market. Sounds impossible? It's not. The biggest lie you've been told is that you need months of training, a computer science degree, or years of freelancing experience before anyone will pay you. But businesses don't care how much you know about AI. They care about one thing: can you solve a problem faster, cheaper, and better than before? AI lets complete beginners do exactly that. Right now, thousands of business owners are overwhelmed with repetitive tasks: writing emails, creating social media content, editing videos, designing graphics, building presentations, managing customer support, and much more. They don't want to spend hours learning AI themselves. They'd rather pay someone else to do it for them. That's where you come in. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap to making your first $1,000 selling AI services, even if you've never had a client, don't know how to code, and have zero experience. We'll cover the best AI services you can start offering today, how to learn them in just a few days, where to find clients who are already looking for your help, and how to land your first paying customer without spending money on ads or expensive courses. So if you're serious about making money with AI instead of just watching everyone else do it, let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is assuming they need to invent the next groundbreaking AI app to make money. You don't. In reality, the easiest way to earn your first $1,000 is by offering simple AI-powered services that businesses already need. Companies aren't looking for AI experts. They're looking for people who can save them time, reduce costs, and help them grow. Let's look at some of the best services you can start selling today. The first skill is AI content writing. Every business needs blog posts, email newsletters, website copy, product descriptions, and marketing content. But most business owners don't have the time to write it themselves. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can help you create high-quality first drafts in minutes. Depending on the project, beginners can typically charge anywhere from $30 to $300, while larger projects can command much higher rates. Businesses pay because consistent, well-written content attracts customers and boosts their online presence. Another high-demand service is short-form video editing. With TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts dominating social media, creators and businesses need engaging videos almost every day. AI tools like CapCut AI, Opus Clip, Descript, and VED can automatically generate captions, remove pauses, and create polished edits in a fraction of the time. Beginners often charge $20 to $100 per video, while experienced editors earn significantly more. Clients are paying for speed and consistency, not just editing skills. Next is thumbnail creation. A great thumbnail can make the difference between a video getting hundreds of views or hundreds of thousands. AI tools such as Canva AI, ChatGPT for design ideas, and image generators like Midjourney or Flux can help you create eye-catching thumbnails quickly. New freelancers commonly charge $15 to $50 per thumbnail, while established designers may charge over $100. Businesses and creators are willing to pay because higher click-through rates often translate directly into more revenue. Another growing opportunity is AI image generation. Businesses constantly need custom visuals for websites, advertisements, presentations, social media, and product mock-ups. Instead of spending hours designing graphics from scratch, you can use tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, or Ideogram to create unique images based on client requests. Projects often range from $30 to $200 or more, depending on complexity. Clients pay because custom visuals help their brand stand out without the expense of traditional photography or illustration. You can also offer social media management powered by AI. Many small businesses struggle to stay active online, creating an opportunity for you to plan content calendars, write captions, generate ideas, and schedule posts using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Buffer, or Hootsuite. Since this is an ongoing service, you can often charge $200 to $1,000 or more per month, depending on the number of platforms and the workload. Businesses value consistency because regular posting helps them attract customers and stay visible. Another service with strong demand is AI-powered lead generation. Every business needs new customers, but finding qualified leads takes time. By using tools like Apollo Clay, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and ChatGPT, you can build targeted prospect lists, verify contact information, and even personalize outreach messages. Lead generation projects commonly pay $100 to $500, while monthly retainers can be much higher. Companies are happy to invest because quality leads directly contribute to increased sales. Finally, there's AI chatbot setup. More businesses are adding chatbots to answer customer questions, qualify leads, and provide support around the clock. Platforms like Chatbase, BotPress, ManyChat, and ChatGPT-powered assistants make it possible to build useful chatbots without advanced coding knowledge. Beginners can often charge $100 to $1,000 or more for setup, depending on the complexity. Clients appreciate chatbots because they improve customer service while reducing workload and response times. Learn these skills in days, not months. Most people think they need to spend months learning AI before they can start making money. They binge-watch tutorial after tutorial, sign up for expensive courses, and try to learn every AI tool they come across, believing they'll eventually feel ready. But the reality is that readiness doesn't come from consuming more information, it comes from taking action. You don't need to know everything about AI to start selling AI services. You only need to know enough to solve a specific problem for a client. Businesses aren't hiring you to explain how AI works. They're hiring you because you can save them time, help them make more money, or eliminate repetitive tasks. That's what they're paying for. The fastest way to learn is to choose one service and commit to it. Whether it's AI content writing, short-form video editing, thumbnail design, lead generation, or social media management, focus on becoming good at that one skill before moving on to anything else. Trying to learn 5 different services at once will only slow your progress and leave you feeling overwhelmed. ChatGPT can become your personal coach throughout the process. Ask it to teach you the fundamentals, explain concepts you don't understand, generate practice projects, review your work, and suggest ways to improve. You can even ask it to act like a client and give you realistic assignments to complete. Instead of spending hours searching for answers online, you can get instant feedback and keep improving every day. Practice is what turns knowledge into income. Rather than watching another tutorial, start solving real problems. If you're learning AI copywriting, write emails for fictional businesses. If you're learning AI video editing, edit sample videos. If you're offering thumbnail design, create thumbnails for popular YouTube videos and compare your work to the originals. Every project builds your confidence and sharpens your skills. Before reaching out to clients, create 3 strong portfolio samples that showcase what you can do. They don't have to come from real clients. Mock projects are more than enough to demonstrate your ability. Once people can see the quality of your work, they're much more likely to trust you with a paid project. Getting a client is only half the battle. The real goal is turning that first project into repeat business, glowing testimonials, and referrals that bring you even more clients. That's why the quality of your work matters far more than the number of clients you have. One happy client can easily lead to 5 more if you consistently deliver results. This is where AI becomes your biggest advantage. Instead of spending hours completing tasks manually, use AI to speed up your workflow without sacrificing quality. Let ChatGPT help you write compelling content. Use AI image generators to create professional graphics. Leverage AI-powered video editing tools to produce engaging videos, or use automation tools to handle repetitive tasks. The key is to let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on refining the final product. Never make the mistake of copying and pasting AI-generated work directly to your client. AI should be your assistant, not your replacement. Always review the output, correct any mistakes, personalize it to the client's brand, and add your own creativity. Clients are paying for results, not for prompts. The extra effort you put into polishing your work is what separates professionals from everyone else using the same tools. Communication is just as important as the work itself. Keep your clients updated throughout the project, respond to messages promptly, and meet every deadline you promise. If you finish early, that's even better. Small actions like these build trust and make clients feel confident working with you again. When you've successfully completed a project, don't stop there. Ask your client if they're happy with the results and request a testimonial. A positive review builds credibility and makes it much easier to attract future clients. You should also ask if they know anyone else who could benefit from your services. Many freelancers get some of their best clients simply through referrals. As you complete more projects, you'll become faster, more efficient, and more confident. Your portfolio will grow, your testimonials will increase, and you'll be able to raise your prices because you're no longer selling potential. You're selling proven results. That's how you move beyond your first $1,000 and start building a sustainable AI service business. Making your first $1,000 selling AI services isn't about being the smartest person in the room or mastering every AI tool that comes out. It's about following a simple process and sticking to it. Pick one service, learn one tool, build a strong portfolio, reach out to potential clients every single day, deliver exceptional work, and repeat that process consistently. Your first $1,000 will probably be the hardest because you're building trust, confidence, and experience. But once you earn it, you'll have proof that the system works, and every milestone after that becomes much easier to reach. If you found this video valuable, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more AI business strategies, and let me know in the comments, which AI service are you going to start selling first? I'd love to hear your answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.